Today, I'm going to make this Reels documentary.
This is Elon Musk, the founder of SpaceX.
You can make it longer according to your script, so go to canva.com. Click on the video. Select Mobile Video. First, change the background color. Check the description for the color code. Go to Elements and add a brush line. Change the color to green. Now upload your targeted image. Remove the background. Adjust the size and position. Add a text. Select Gisticy font. Again, add a text. Select All-Rounder font. Change the color to green. Lastly, again, add a text. Change the font to Cardo. Change the color to green. Add a line. Crop the line. Change the color to green because we selected green color for the branding. Add a green shadow. Now add a black shadow. Duplicate this text. Change the font color to white. Change the alignment. Add a new page. Add a text. Select Cardo font. Duplicate this. Change the color to green. Again, duplicate this. Now, duplicate this page. Select all the text and make it smaller. Go to Elements and add a warm glow. Now add a circle frame. Upload and add the company logo. Go to the first page. Select all the elements by pressing Ctrl key plus a key, Animate. Select the succession and on Enter. Add the slide transition. Speed will be 0.3 seconds. Add match and move transition here. Select the glow and logo. Go to Animate. Select the neon animation. Set the first page duration to 2.5 seconds. Second page, 1.2 seconds. Third page, 2.5 seconds. Upload your audio. Drag it to the timeline.
This is Elon Musk.
Select the split point according to your audio and press the S key to split. Drag the next part to the second page. Here is the final result.
This is Elon Musk, the founder of SpaceX.
Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.